ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम द्राम द्रीम द्रौम सह शुक्राय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Welcome dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the Astral Science program. So we have our first batch starting from August 1st. There will be one batch in the morning, one batch in the evening. Morning time will be between 10 to 12, evening time will be between 7 to 9. Those who are interested to learn this subject in 15 days, definitely you will have a added advantage to know about your life in a very easy way. What are the pitfalls, what is the uptime, what is the downtime. So in 15 days, those who don't know anything about astrology, right from starting with astronomy, I'll teach you step by step and take you through the major important milestones which comes across in the astrology. Then introduce yourself into the Nakshatra Nadi combinations. Post that we get into job section, education, then marriage section, business, finance. Then apart from that we also talk about the marriage combination, how it is, then the childbirth combination, then litigation part, then health part, then the travel part. And there is also one more subject which I'll be teaching you is on the query, where you can use this Prashna Marg, Prashna Shastra, where it gives more accuracy on a single question. Those who are viewing from last 15 days, it is almost 15 days I started this program, and a lot of calls, people are inquiring about the class. Don't have any small iota of doubt there whether we can learn or not, because this is not the first class I am taking. From last 5 years, probably 5 years, I've started taking through the media in various channels in Karnataka. Prior to that, almost from 2010, I was teaching astrology in various institutions. That was not my main line, but I was in a corporate segment. I was working for many Indian and multinational companies in various managerial capacities. Once I left that company, I had a passion to promote astrology to the masses. So that is when I started designing a course. How to tell to the mass or teach to the mass that astrology is a easy subject. It is a subject where we can draw our path, what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, based on the indication the planet shows us. And we are all driven, one thing I'll tell you, we are all driven by the planets. 80% works on luck and 20% is just we have to hold the luck by working. 80% is luck and 20% is holding that luck, hand holding that luck. Okay, what is this? Are we talking something rubbish here? Luck. What does luck do if I don't work? That is what is luck. Luck is nothing but labor under correct knowledge. Please understand this. Luck is labor, what you put the labor under correct knowledge. Where can we find it out? We can definitely find our luck in our horoscope. An astrologer telling to his client who doesn't know about the subject can tell anything. He can talk anything and tell anything about it. He can talk about doshas, he can talk about negative planets, he can talk about some black magic, he can talk about some issue, the other issue which is not related with astrology. He can talk anything. But as a teacher, to teach this subject, I cannot go in the same way, because the students will be learning and there will be 100 questions which will be coming back to me. So prediction by the astrologers is a very easy task. They tell as per their mindset or their experience or what they have learnt. But as a teacher, as an astrology teacher, I cannot say that if this comes it's bad, this comes it's good. There will be a lot of questions. They'll start looking at their own charts and analyzing. Okay, you said this, sir, is it coming? It's not coming in mind. No. Have to design in such a way that astrological charts, when I teach and when you apply, it should relate. That is how 12,000 students have learned this. They have applied, they have worked, practiced and seen the result. People might think that okay, in 15 days is it possible? So telling astrology to others through the client, is it possible? Because the other party doesn't know what is astrology. He believes whatever the other party, based on somebody's influence or reference or recommendations, he would have gone there based on his issue or based on his problem. So whatever he says, he'll go back and say, yeah, that Pandit said my time is bad, there is Sade Sati, he said, there also Kala Sarpa Dosha, he said, there is Mars which is Manglik, he said, and they also said the Dasha is bad, and somebody is seeing somewhere, somebody is seeing here, there. I did not understand that language at all. But he said, lot of pujas has to be done. Okay, that requires a lot of money to be paid. So I just asked him, if I do all this, my problem will be solved. He said, yes, definitely, you have to believe. Belief industry, this is a belief industry. This is a belief industry, boss, you have to believe. Then they all do that. After some time, if the result doesn't come, they will not even bother to go there and ask, the result has not come. Because people have a mindset that astrology means solutions. No, wrong. Astrology only shows how far is the problem, at what time it gets over, after that gets over, what is the next problem which arises. A person who is born till death, everybody has got problem at any given time of time. You just, everybody who is watching my channel here, just think, do I have a problem today? You will say yes. In one of the areas, in any of the areas of the life, you will have problem. Either in health, either in wealth, or either in marriage, either in studies or job, whatever. Even I also have a problem. There is no person on the earth, human being, bereft of any problem. That guy would be one guy who was sleeping in the graveyard. So, people start worrying. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? People go and check their horoscope and they say many things. And if you go to 10 panel of astrologers, all the 10 panel of astrologers give you different views. Some say that no, that guy, you did that Shanti, no, that is not the planet, this is the planet. Somebody will come and say these two planets are not affecting, somebody is affecting here out of this 9. And out of the blue there are many things, other things, there is some shapa which is coming to you. They are never looking at the dasha system, they are never looking at the bhukti system, they are never looking here itself, at the basic level itself. What is the issue? Because we are all born with a passbook. That passbook gives us at what all time there is debit, what all time there is credit, what all time there is zero balance. That passbook has to be studied in detail. Many people are not trained, or not have got experience, or not have got the capability, or not have got the intuition to say the real problem and what time it gets over. At the start of astrology, when it started long back, 5,000 years back, astronomy was not there. First thing I would like to specify here, astronomy was not there at all. Astrology was itself a astronomy. Please note this point. Astrology itself was astronomy. They also calculated the motion of the planets. They also calculated the star from where to begin. They also pointed the North Pole star, the Polaris. They also measured the distance. They also measured the mean movement of the planets. They also started writing the seasons. They also started writing Panchangam, where they talk about the seasons, the rainy season, the winter season, and they started talking about what crops develop at what stages. Over a period of time, everybody was looking astrology as astronomy, equivalent to astronomy, what is today. They were all looking at stars, how the planet come here, they go there. But there was one guy who started to discuss, okay, there is an influence of planets on the rain, or on the summer, or on the floods, or on the earthquakes. There are some impact which comes. They were all studying at the mundane astrology level, related with astronomy. There are some catastrophes which is happening in the astral sky. That catastrophe, will it happen here, based on their calculation? They went into that, because it was not a smooth sailing every time. There were diseases that time also. There were floods that time also. There were natural calamities those days also. There was famine those days also. They were just relating, are there some stars related here? They started searching astronomical. They started every motion, they started, and every planet motion, and they started what is the time this developed, everything was done. And they started applying to the planet Earth. How is it affecting? They started learning it. That subject is still even today applied as Medini astrology or mundane astrology, which doesn't add up the astrology what I tell to the common man. Then there was one guy who came, his name is Parashara, who was just thinking, okay, people are talking, there are stars, there are planets, there are heavenly bodies, and we are all here. Are they not influencing us? They are simply roaming around there, or they are influencing here, somewhere here. He started studying that. He took out a lot of people. He started analyzing somebody born on this, where were the planets, let us say, write down, and he used to check his lifestyle, how it went. He started looking at each and every person's lifestyle and started writing the thesis. And he wrote a book called Bruhat Parashara Hora Shastra as a big volume. It was just a raw book. There was nothing concocted from there. It's a completely a raw material. It was not actually made a constructed material. It's completely a raw material. He made cement, he made rock, he made boulders, he made sand here, everything. He segregated everything and gave everything in one basket and said, if this comes, this might happen, this comes. It was all in a basket. Then later many astrologers came and refined this on the raw data. They took the raw data and refined it. After refining, many great astrologers started predicting how it is affecting the human life. If you go to any astrological school, I am telling point blank, if any astrologers go to the astrological school anywhere in India, nobody will teach you doshas. Nobody will teach you doshas. And you can just yourself figure out from where the dosha word came in, from whose mouth it is coming today. No astrological student today who has gone to some institute, some small or medium or large institute, which is available in many cities. It might be Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. You go to any institution, they will never talk about certain things. One is the doshas, astrology and dosha. No, it is not there actually. It is not written anywhere. They only say it is good time, bad time, based on the dasha system. Then Sadesati, that is also not there. In all the institution where I have learned from last 25 years, it was not there. Somebody started that, created that, everybody is applying today, which was not there in that basket given, in the raw material given. Sarpadosha, it was not there. Somebody started. So with all this collective put together, people have lost faith in astrology. So anybody can go to any astrologer and ask anything and he can go back. Because people are so glued that to apply for a job, they will ask a astrologer. Even certain extent, even they'll ask the, I've got an offer, that company numerology is matching, no, for me. He's paying money, boss, first go and join there. He's offered you first of all. That is greater than what name he is keeping. Such lousy questions people ask, and for that people, the so-called educated people in astrology answer them. No, that vibration is quite difficult. They know the mindset of this guy. Every astrology is going haywire based on the mindset of the other person, other party who is sitting there. There is no concrete thing where they guide them. Astrology came as a guiding factor, not to bother the person who has come with distress. It is only to give him a helping hand. Astrology should be a helping hand, not to scare him. You have a lot of doshas. Suddenly it gets inside mind. So what to do? Suddenly pay money, dosha will go. It all works in four walls with only him and he sitting there with nobody. And he will go, he'll do some, he'll pay is some left out money. Things doesn't work out and he'll start publicizing. Where somebody who talks about astrology, he will be the first person to raise his hand. I oppose astrology. It's fake. The subject is not fake. The astrologer is fake. Because everybody today, any road you take, there is no proper standardization for astrology. Many people, many intellect people, many people in what you call in good position, they have learnt in some institution here and there, and they have understood. They have understood this is what is life. Okay, why I had a problem that time? This made. Whenever that planet is coming, I will have a issue. Okay, I have understood that. I have to be silent. Whenever there is a problem, I have to be silent. I learnt astrology to know to what extent, to what time the problem is there. Not to get away from the problem, but at the lower level in the market, outside in the society, everybody are doing something or the other in the name of remedies. Out of 10, 7 will not happen, 3 will happen, 3 will start believing and going there, and 7 will withdraw it. So the withdrawal level is very, 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 very high, so that people have stopped believing. The withdrawal level has become very, very high. I went to many people, nobody told properly. Because the guy who has gone there was expecting result. I have come here, sir. I am 28 now. From last 2 years, I am looking for a bride. I'm not getting, but they are all coming, but for obvious reason, and one of the main reason is Jatakam is not matching. Okay, there is also some difficulty in matching, I can say. There also they have a problem in matching. They are not taking the traditional, they are taking the corrected, the point based system, which is not at all applicable as of now. The points 23, points 25, still people are going to in that level. Even that is not matching, they say. Then go and they'll go say, then they'll start analyzing, okay, your Saturn is here, 7th house, your Rahu is coming here, he is there, okay, you have to do some puja. Okay, problem is there, right? So I will do puja, will it happen? Will it happen? Can you guarantee me? Okay, I will pay the money, you guarantee me, because I am frustrated, I have to marry. Okay, take this, do the puja. So he will do his puja, he will be sitting like this. Puja is happening, he will get married. But what is this person has done? He has not done any chanting, he has not done anything. For his karma, he has not done anything. Somebody has done on his behalf. But his horoscope is telling marriage will not happen still another 2 years. He will be expecting next 3 months. It doesn't happen. Then he say, okay, this is wrong, this is wrong. I will never believe. He'll try another astrologer. Let me see, this guy might not have studied well. This guy would have been studied well because he looks little bit different. He will have a different story. He will tell something else where you already done, because he will go and sell again. He will start with Rahu. You will tell, okay, all this puja is over. Okay, don't worry, there is one more guy who is troubling you. One more guy that is troubling you. I will tell who that guy is. You take care of him, your marriage will happen. Again go there. When there is something losing out, then from that stage you have reduced your the trust on astrology. Coming here, your trust has further gone down. One thing I want to tell to the viewers is, astrology is equal to not solution. People are thinking in such a way, astrology is equal to solution. No. If that would have been the case, one thing you should be guaranteed, all astrologers would have been multi-millionaire. All astrologers, because they know everything, no? They know their chart, they know their horoscope, they know their planets, they know what to do for themselves. If that is the case, they should have become multi-millionaire. Is that happened? You write all in the Forbes, you get all the multi-millionaire. Is there any astrologer there? Any astrologer? Even the so-called great astrologers in India, they are also not in that line. After knowing everything, that how to make money, how to get money, what planets to pacify, what puja to do to get wealth, what puja to be done for business, what have to donate for getting the business up. If that would have been for us, we would have become multimillionaires. Because of that concept that astrology is equal to solution, that is where all the people have gone in the wrong direction. Even the astrologers, if they touch their heart and say, what I am doing, is it right, is it in the right way, 95% of the astrologers fail. 95. Because rest 5% will tell astrology is not a solution. Astrology is just a way of life. When there is downtime, when there is uptime, when there is worry time, when there is betrayal time, when do I lose my job, when do I get my new job, it's only a time factor. It's only a time factor. When the time is told, you will be happy. When the time is told, we will wait for it. We cannot prepone the time. Cue the chanting and tell, just chant and give a try. But for certain done, this is the time it is showing. You have to wait for it. You have to wait for it. Because all the, whatever you say, all the requirements of a person is only between 25 to 45. Major requirement is between 25 to 45. From 45 to 75, it's only the handholding of this. So what Dasha Bhukti, Antarbhukti comes between 25 to 45 is the major area, because 25 you are very young and you are closing your youth by 45, and 45 it start declining. Your mind, your body, your soul start declining. From 45 to 75 is just a maintenance of what you have done from 25 to 45. Astrology will help you there. What was not there, what is there, what is there. So, lastly, what is the solution for all these worries? It has to come. Worries has to come down. The situation will remain same, but I should not worry about it. There is a very powerful mantra. Kindly chant this mantra, at least for the time being, as a stopgap. As the people give appetizer, right? When you are hungry, there are some starters which come across on your table. There are appetizers. So this mantra works as the appetizer. Just eat it and wait. The time will come. You can have a feast. So just see this mantra on the screen. I'll put across this mantra on the screen. Om Chintamanyai Namaha. Very simple mantra. Om Chintamanyai Y-E-I, Namaha. Okay. I will tell you the process after the break. I will tell you the process after the break. Welcome back. I was just telling you about the worry factor. People worry. There are many mantras which reduces the worry factor, not the problem. Problem remains. So let us work on reducing the worry from the mind. So once again I would like to put across the mantra. Om Chintamanyai Namaha. So what is the procedure to follow this? So I'll have the next screen, please. Hold a glass of water, chant the mantra for 21 times and drink, morning and evening. See the miracle. Within 1 day, 2 days, you can feel the difference. Your worry would have come down. That mantra has got the strength, power. Because while you chant, holding this, Om Chintamanyai Namaha, that word has been energized through the water. Water has got that power to retain the word. That's why people hold the water and chant. So through that energized water, you can have a worry-free time for some time, not a problem-free time. Okay, at least a worry-free. Okay, let me take the calls now. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
I just want to know about my husband's job, Guruji.
Tell me. Please mute the TV. Kindly mute your TV, madam. Mute.
Yes,
Loudspeaker.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, definitely. His date of birth is 12th October 1979.
Okay.
And the timings 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m.
Place of birth. Can you be a bit fast, madam? Can you be a bit fast? Can you be bit fast? You are too slow.
Bit fast. Okay. 11:30 a.m. And the place of birth is Maddur, Andhra Pradesh. Maddur, M-A-D-D-U-R, Maddur, Andhra Pradesh.
Telangana.
Telangana or Andhra?
Maddur Nagar, Kurnool.
Maddur, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra. Okay, I have put just Andhra Pradesh. Okay. It is coming near. Okay. The Lagna is Sagittarius Lagna, Dhanur Lagna. Rashi is Sagittarius. Uttarashada Nakshatra. What is the question?
His nakshatra is Uttarashada.
Yeah. Please tell the question, madam, please.
He lost the job last month, so when he will get back the job?
Okay, just started the Mercury. Okay, Jupiter, Mercury. Jupiter 14710, Mercury 710 Earlier it was 2711 with 6. Mercury has just transformed and Mercury is giving 110. Antarbhukti, let me see, Ketu 1011. He will be getting shortly within September. The new Bhukti has just transformed. Okay, between July to September he will be getting a new job. Nothing to worry. Okay, the combinations are very good. There is no 5, 8, 12. There is little bit obstacle from the moon end because 1 is carrying with 8. Just donate rice for next 2 to 3 months. Next to 2-3 months on Monday. And I would like to give a chanting if he is interested. Just ask him to chant Om Kram Kreem Krom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. He will definitely get a good job shortly within September. Namaste.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Tell me.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Tell me, sir.
Guruji, date of birth 21 July.
21 July.
1994.
Okay.
4:35 p.m.
Okay.
Davangere.
Tell me.
Guruji, I wanted to know about my trading career. I wanted to take my trading as a career. Stock trading as a career.
Okay. 2511. You are going to invest?
Yeah, trader. Investment and trader.
Okay, let me see.
How
Moon Dasha is
it
there.
for
Acha, okay. Moon Dasha is running
Yes.
till 2022 Mercury. Let me see. Moon 186911. Mercury 710 146910. 12 is in the underground. Next there is Ketu, which has got 12. Let me look at the third. You will not be getting a very high margin. You can trade.
Okay.
You will not be getting a very high margin, and there is very less loss. Very less loss, not very high profit. Okay. It is a very medium. It's a very medium. This one.
Guruji, or else can I start trading career from my Rahu Dasha?
Rahu Dasha 11-11-9. So when does this over? So you want to start after 2032?
Learning now. So like it will take some years to start. So I just wanted to know which is the best.
Yeah,
way to
definitely. Rahu is giving good combination, but there is no 2-5-11. But wealth creation is not great. You can get money, but there is not a big wealth creation. It's just like a job where you get some 50-60,000 and you'll be happy. For wealth creation, the combination should be 2-5-11. That is not there in any dasha. But you can make money, but not a wealth creation. Okay, people who get into shares, they would be looking at gaining wealth. Okay, more wealth. This is just like a salary, and there will be ups and downs also, because this is a speculative thing. So share market you might learn, but my calculation, it only calls for a speculative work, because you can tell everything that this company is doing good, this company is doing good. It's all again speculative, no? If that company doesn't do, it's a speculation. If there is a horse race, you will just based on its condition. How does the horse, they put money on the horse. They all think what is the strength, energy, who is the jockey, how he rides it. It's all in the same manner. Shares is also in the same manner. Horse race, shares, same. Who will know what happens to one company tomorrow? You might be reading the history. History will become a mystery. Okay. People, we should not have one mindset, especially in the share market. We should expect results, but when we exceed the result, it will backfire. That's what you have to be careful. There are many trainers who go for training 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs. The trainer would have done for himself, right? That I'll only invest money and I'll show you. They should show. I've become a multi-millionaire like this by investing share, and I'll teach you. Invest on him only. He will pay you back. Mostly he has got 2-5-11. People who have got 2-5-11 only can make money. Those who have not got 2-5-11, they cannot make money. Money in the sense, it's not a regular income type. It's wealth creation. You put some 5 lakhs, you do some trading, invest on some stocks, that will go, that will multiply. Then you will get back some 30, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. No, that is what is 2-5-11 you require. You invested 5 lakhs, that 5 lakhs is slowly become 6 lakhs after 1 year, slowly 8 lakhs after 5 years. There at one point of time that 5 lakhs, it has come to 3 lakhs, again or somehow I pulled it back. These are all ups and downs, these are all speculation only. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Tell me, madam.
We have been watching your show actually from past 3-4 years in other channels.
Okay, great.
Yeah, and it is very good actually. And my sister has also learnt a basic class from your end last year.
Oh, last year. Oh, great, madam.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
very
and
much.
she actually wants to go for advanced classes as well.
Okay, great, great. Really
Yeah,
great.
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
It is actually a very enlightening show.
Okay, thank you.
We are very thankful to you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, only the experience I am putting across.
Yeah, but
might be-
it is really enlightening actually for youngsters like us who are not so much keen in astrology.
Correct.
Actually, your show is really great for us.
The keen is people, the society is in that direction, right? Which has made us
Yes.
believe dumb about astrology. Astrology, yeah? Who will tell? Some guy who is on the street also will tell astrology. So when there is no standardization, people don't start disbelieving it. Correct?
Yes, yes, yes. But your way of scientific approach is really like, it is, youth are liking it, actually.
I want to bring back
More
that
and,
culture. I want to bring
yes.
back that culture. People today, our own community people, our own community means our own Indian people are opposing our own system. Somebody should take up that and challenge and train that. That is the reason I am teaching this subject. See, telling is a different subject. Okay, I tell about your life, but I am telling and showing them this is how we can start learning it and applying for our life. That is the only my motto. I don't want to show here, look, this is what is coming in my chart, this is what is coming in my app. No, I want to bring in people to learn this subject, and they will start spreading to the world. I want to make
True.
I want to make the youth. I am creating astrologers. I can say in one word, I am creating astrologers, true astrologers.
Yes, sir. And it is actually her predictions have actually come out.
Oh,
true.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
She does a lot in predicting a few things which I really wanted to know,
Oh,
and it
very
has
good.
come out really true.
Yeah, thank you.
And yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot actually for
Even people doesn't know that I was the first person to predict coronavirus.
Yeah, I saw even that episode of yours.
Many people, if I go and tell, oh, after coming corona, you will tell everything. Everybody have told this. I have a proof, but it's in the local Kannada language.
Yes, sir. We have seen.
If I would have told in English, it could have been more publicized that this is going to come. Okay, I'm not bothered about it. That people should be healthy and we should move on. That is what my contention is. Okay, tell me, madam.
Sir, I wanted to ask about my brother's health.
Yeah, tell me.
His date of birth is 28 June
Okay,
1987,
okay.
4:51 a.m.
Place of birth?
Bangalore, sir.
Health, huh?
Health, sir. He is actually diabetic.
Okay.
So I wanted to know about his future health because my father expired with kidney disease following diabetes.
Okay, let me see.
So we are a
Punarvasu
bit
Nakshatra.
apprehensive
Done.
about.
Oh, got it. I'll just figure it out. So let us look at the dasha, how it is flowing. Till 2026, Mercury is there. Mercury is having 11, then after Ketu is coming. Ketu has got a issue because 1, 4, 10, 8, 10. But there is also 5, 11, not to worry. Venus will be a very not a so great combination because 5 and 11 are the combination for good health. Venus is the major culprit for health. After 2033 only, not to worry anything. Okay. So
Okay.
to control it, I would like to give some suggestion. He has to donate banana for every Thursday for next 3 months. This is the first thing. And let him wear one yellow thread to the right hand. And I would suggest to go for emerald for little finger for health purpose. And chant 2 mantras. One is Om Brahm Brim Brom Saha Budaya Namaha, and second one is just a unlimited mantra for good health. Om Hum Namaha. Om H-U-M Hum Namaha. This removes lot of diseases from the body in a very slow manner. Okay. When he chant this mantra after 1 year, 1.5 year continuously, he can see that result. Good result. Okay. Good luck. August 1st, we will be having the first English course, which will have 2 batches. One will be in the morning 10 to 12, one will be in the evening 7 to 9. Those who are interested to learn this subject and ensure that you have a wonderful life ahead, this is the best course, I can definitely guarantee you. As I was just telling, because I just come across this channel from last 15 days, I would like to give you a confidence that not to worry, because some of the few calls my telecallers was just telling, but they have seen me for the first time, and they are a little bit skeptical about 15 days. I can't. This is not the first time I am teaching about this. There are 12,000 students who are like this. 12,000, and from last 5 years I am teaching, and all the students are not only from this state, from all over the world. Many students have learnt and have done doctorate courses here with this. I would like to share all these photos. Those who are very new to this this one channel as well as the program. In coming days, I will definitely share my class photos, my student photos, how large is there, and give you a confidence, because I just wanted to start going beyond Karnataka and teaching people. That's it. Okay. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. I'm Krishna Ramesh here.
Yeah.
My date of birth 31/12.
30.
31/12.
Okay.
1963.
31/12/1963. Okay.
Morning 8:55 a.m.
Place of birth.
Place of birth Vellore, Tamil Nadu. That is Vellore.
Vellore. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me the question, sir.
The question actually, see, some amount I have invested in NBFC company, non-banking financial company.
Okay.
They went for IBC. So, now they are giving only 25% of that what I have deposited. It is a fixed deposit amount.
Okay.
So whether I will get, how is my time?
Venus Moon. Let me look at Venus Moon. 5, 10, 12, 6, 7, 1, 2. 2, 6, 10. There is no 11. 2, 6, 7, 10, 12. There is no 11 here. And let me look at the hit theory. It started with 12 of 20% and it moved to 40% of 6 and it is come down with 1. So 6 as a dasha is not supporting completely with the either side of 20% 12 and 40% 1. You are getting lesser income from start of Shukra dasha. So which started from 2018 onwards, 17-18 onwards, it started depleting. So dasha is not so great for the money part. And the current bhukti, let me look at the current bhukti. Venus is with 2030, 23. Is there any increment from now? There is little bit of increment post Mars, not now, because sublord will carry little bit weightage. 23 onwards, there is increment in whatever you are invested, not immediately. 23 onwards, another 1.5 year you have to wait. Yes, sir. 2023 January onwards, definitely they will only announce and increase. But for next 1.5 years, you have to reconsider the same interest what they are paying. To have a increment in other sources, not in this question, you can chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om, and you wear one orange color thread to your right hand wrist, some 3 to 5 rounds, and keep a yellow color kerchief with you. This will definitely help you little bit to get money from other sources, not in this line. Okay, good luck. Namaste. Namaste. Hello. Hello. Speak out. I'm able to hear you. Hello. Hello. Please reduce your TV volume and please kindly speak. Hello. Hello. Yeah, it's connecting. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually my name is Janaki Vallaban.
You're calling from which place, sir?
I'm calling from Chennai, sir.
Okay, tell me, sir.
Sir, I just want to know about my my marriage and job.
Yeah, one. Let me take up one subject. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me your date of birth.
23/8/1978.
23.
8/1978.
Time of birth.
11:20 a.m. Rameshwaram.
Rameshwaram.
23/8/1978.
You are watching my program, which started recently.
Just saw some time back on the last week before I just tried. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, let me look at your chart.
Yeah.
Aries born with Ashwini Nakshatra and your ascendant is Libra.
Okay.
So, for long you are not married.
Yeah. In between, I just got some profiles also, but just they are seriously looking for.
I'm really sorry, marriage combination is not there.
Okay.
You have to go by your willpower. Planets are not giving you, driving you any this one, but by willpower you can definitely marry. That's a different story. Planet says, if you ask the planet, they say I am not giving, but with your willpower you can marry. The planets also are driving your willpower not to marry.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
So
and,
astrology
education-
cannot be considered completely it is driving you. There is also a willpower, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So at this
So
stage,
what
I
is
think
the
you have to
remedy?
discard what is there in store. I cannot put blame on this combination. Yeah, combination says there is no marriage, 1, 10, 5 and all. There is no 2, there is no 7. Yes, marriage is not showing.
Okay.
But if you reconsider and think that I want a partner, you can definitely have. Planet will not go against it, but there will be some understanding issue if you marry. So you have to overcome that and marry. Got it? There will be a
Okay,
lot
so
of
what is
ego
the-
issues.
Okay. What is the beneficial planet in my horoscope, and what is the best part that is like in
All
my,
planets are showing management side, money side, career side, software, everything is showing. Money side is showing more, where you can focus on wealth building, but not on the
Okay.
family building. I cannot name one planet here. Sun is good, 10th house, which is name and fame. Moon is good, which is in the 6th house, which is having anytime you'll have career. And Mars is 11th. The entire fantastic combination is there, but the hit theory which we look at is not so
my
great.
my horoscope timing, as per my horoscope, the Lagna is Libra, but it's Rameshwaram you have put, right? 11:20 a.m. Rameshwaram,
Correct.
23:08. But ascendant is Libra, and I think it's in the 12th house, no?
Correct.
Sun is in, because I just wanted to clarify whether it is in whether Venus is in Libra itself. That's why
See,
Venus is in.
okay. I just put across 11:20 Rameshwaram. Everything is displayed here, sir. Correctly. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry
So,
about.
okay. So, education prospects for further employment-wise, which area is better? What is the remedy for a quick remedy for all these things?
Yeah,
should be
I
better.
can't give you one remedy. There all the planets
Okay.
are good for you, especially on the career front and money making front. On the
Okay,
family
okay.
front, I can help you out. You just wear one, make up your mind first. Take a willpower that I have to marry, because at this age, you have to take a call that I will start experiencing the partner and marriage life. Wear one coral, because 2711 is only showed by Mars. Rest all the hit theory is 6, 10, 5, 6, where you are not made up your mind to marry. That is the first question. Whatever has come, you are not interested in that because of 5. So lot many things have happened. Just wear one coral to your right hand ring finger and 3-face Rudrakshi, at least on the marriage front and the business, the money front also, both ways Mars is great. Namaste.
नमस्ते।
Yeah, tell me, madam. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ.
मेरा बेटा के लिए मैं देख रहे हैं।
Okay.
इसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ 7/2/87।
Okay. Time,
टाइम 21:05।
place of birth. Place,
डेट ऑफ
place,
बर्थ
place.
प्लेस चेन्नई।
Chennai. Okay. So you are looking for marriage?
हाँ यार।
Okay, right. So ascendant is Libra, sorry, Virgo. Then again the moon sign is Taurus, Rohini Nakshatram.
हाँ, रोहिणी नक्षत्रम, कन्या लग्नम।
Jupiter Dasha is running till 2024, Mercury. Again Jupiter, the same combination as I told, lot of 6 here, which discards the marriage. Even there might be one alliance which would have come very near and almost marriage proposal, it would have got cut because of 6.
Okay.
So let me see the condition for the Bhukti, which is till 2024 Mercury. Mercury is little bit good now, because before Mercury, Venus, Ketu was there, Saturn was there, which is having 6 and 7 again. Almost alliance are coming near and something is going wrong, like your guy might not be interested, or if he is interested, the other party is saying that we are not interested.
Yeah,
And if both are interested, you are looking at the horoscope and that will give you a heart.
Correct.
Okay.
Very correct.
I would suggest stop
Ah.
looking at the horoscope. Look at the attitude of the prospective girl and the boy and ask
Okay.
them, because already it is 34. Don't go beyond now to look at the horoscope. As I am being
They are not
astrologer.
looking. Girls side they are looking.
Ayyo, that is one biggest problem. They are at this stage also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I would like to suggest you to donate a few things and ensure that you see, but one thing I will guarantee you that by 2023 his marriage will get over. 2023-24, because Mercury is giving the marriage, because 7 and 3, which is very good. 3 is the engagement, talks across, and marriage. There is no 6 across. But marriage life will not be so good. That is the second point. But this is at this point I would not to suggest tell about what is the issue. But marriage is first important. Let them experience it, because the parents will have a big burden. But my son is not married, he is already 34. There will be social pressure. There will be relatives, friends asking what has happened. But post marriage, whatever happens, nobody will ask.
Okay.
Don't worry, but make your son's mindset that he has to just decide, not to just drag on, not to look at her salary, or not to look at her which company she is going, nothing.
Okay.
Just ask him to look her as a human being first.
Okay.
Salary and all, he also earns, she also earns. That's a different story. But the combination is not so great for a happy married life. So that has to be understood for him. But by 23, he will get married from 1.5 years from today. Okay? Good luck. I would suggest one strong remedy. One second, be online. No planet is so strong to give for a remedy, all mediocre. Okay. Only Venus. No, Venus is also not there. No. I can't give any remedy here. No stone, no Rudraksh. Moon 9-11. Only two-face Rudraksh. Two-face Rudraksh he can wear. And tie a red thread to his wrist. Good luck. Okay. Okay, time's up. So fast. Okay, let me close across. So as I was telling you, please learn this subject. Very simple, very easy. Please learn. Please propagate this Vedic astrology everywhere. Just a small investment. Know about yourself and start predicting to others also. It's not a tough subject, easy subject. You can know everything what is going on in others' life. That is the beauty of this astrology. I can challenge anybody. Those who are in the science background, they'll come and tell that, okay, this is not a great science, astral science where you can predict everything. No, people have gone in the wrong way and predicted. We have put across a system, we have put across a calculation, we have put across a saying that there is no dosha. There is only good time, bad time. We have to accept it. If the combination was there, I have to marry, I have to leave everything, whatever is there. That is what astrology tells. You have to let go of your ego, let go of your list of commitments or list of requirements from a girl or a boy. Remove it, reduce to zero, you will get married. Let me meet you Monday. Good luck. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.